What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video. So guys, today's video I wanted to talk about the best ways to make your car smell great and clean, how to get your car to smell the best it can smell. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So guys, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and take out all the trash out of your car. I normally keep my car pretty clean on the inside. I don't keep too much trash in it. When you go out to eat and you get fast food or something and you leave all the food in here, the wrappers and everything, it starts to smell up the car and it just does not smell good. You definitely want to take those out as soon as possible. Take out all the trash out of your car because it just makes it stink. Alright guys, so the next thing that you might want to do is go ahead and grab some air fresheners. Alright guys, so I got some air fresheners over here. There's a bunch of different types. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about each one and what they're good at. First things first, we got the Little Tree air fresheners. These honestly don't last that long. They last about a few days. I know that there's a way to keep them to last longer. So if you look on the back, you want to leave the bag on, but I just don't like the look of the bag when it's on there. So I just take it off. It's probably not the best thing to do because it just like gets rid of all the smell really quickly, but I just don't like the look of the wrapper. So I don't really suggest these all the time. It will help your car smell good for about 3 days, and after that it won't smell that good. The next thing that we got are these little cans. Now there's a few different brands. So we got the Little Trees Black Ice. Black Ice is one of the best smells in my opinion. I like the cherry and the black ice smell. These last a lot longer. These last about a month, I would say. Another good one is the Coronado Cherry. This smells so good, and when you pair these two up, oh my goodness, it smells so good. These are about $2 to $3 each. I can't remember the exact pricing. These are definitely one of the better options to get. They smell really good. They last for quite a bit of time. Another good smell is the Shasta Strawberry, and then there's another one called the Melon. I can't remember the melon name, but they were sold out. Those three from California Scents, and then the Black Ice from Little Trees. Next up, we got these. The Febreze ones. These ones last a long time as well. Now, they don't have the best smells in my opinion. This one's definitely the better one, the Morning and Dew. This one smells really good. These last a really long time. These are really nice, but they don't have the best smells in my opinion. Honestly, the favorite one I have is the Coronado Cherry. If they had something like this with the Coronado Cherry, oh my goodness, I would keep it forever. That's another viable option. Now, if your car is smelling really, really bad, you want to go ahead and grab one of these guys. You pretty much, if your car is smelling really bad, it gets rid of the odor permanently, and it's like a huge can. Let me go ahead and open it. It sprays out a bunch of the deodorizer, and it keeps your car smelling really nice and good. Now, I don't recommend this if your car is not smelling horrible. This is like if your car is smelling really, really bad. This is like the worst case scenario. You want to use this. It smells really good though. It's definitely a great option. It takes 15 minutes to use it. You have to put it in your car, close your doors, let it spray out for 15 minutes, and it will take out all the bad smells. This is the best option if you have really, really bad smells. The next thing that you can get are these little spray cans. Go ahead and show you. These are really nice, but this only lasts like maybe an hour or 2 hours to smell. They're not the best option. It's good if your car's just smelling bad for a second and you spray it. It still smells good. It's the Coronado Cherry again from California Scents. But I really don't recommend buying this if you want your car to smell good for like months on end. This is just like for an hour, it smells good. Those are the best air fresheners out there in my opinion. Another good option, if your car is smelling really bad, it could also be the carpets in your car. One thing that I noticed is that when I clean my carpets, like do a proper cleaning of my car carpets, the car smells better. It just smells better. And this is what I actually use for that. I use the 409 carpet cleaner. Pretty much it's a foaming carpet cleaner. I have a video on it. I'll go ahead and show you guys the video. I'll throw it up over here. There's a link over here somewhere. So if you guys do want to do something like this, it's a great option. It definitely helps keeping your car smell good because the carpets hold a lot of the smell. Make sure you guys clean your carpets as well. Now, if you guys want your car to be smelling good over time, like for a long time, I really suggest like cleaning out your interior consistently. Maybe like once a month, go ahead and just clean out your car, vacuum it, use the carpet spray, the carpet foam on the carpet. It really helps. Another good thing is the Silk Shine dressing from Chemical Guys. You spray that on there and it makes the interior shiny, so you really don't want to use it too much, but it does help keep the car smelling good. Another good one that you can use is leather cleaner. So if you have leather seats, go ahead and grab some leather cleaner, clean off your leather seats. Really helps with keeping the smell of the car smelling good. There's also some for fabric seats that you can get. Pretty much if you guys want your car smelling good, you just gotta clean it consistently. Clean the carpets, use some air fresheners. Really helps keep the car nice and clean. But yeah guys, I thought I'd just share this video with you to help with some tips and tricks on how to keep your car smelling nice and clean. Go ahead, clean out your car every once in a while with all the garbage. Clean your carpets, put some air fresheners in here and keep the car smelling nice and good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe down below as well, go follow me on Instagram. And without further ado guys, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that BMW, and I'll catch you guys later.